Hello Hot Wheels friends, members and subscribers. LPG Toys and Games channel. We are collecting Hot Wheels for over 7 years. Thousands and thousands Hot Wheels. This is some special Hot Wheels that we are presenting today. Today we are continuing our journey with Hot Wheels 2024. It's Hot Wheels Green Speed Series. Green Speed Series for 2024. LPG Toys and Games channel. Hot Wheels races, Hot Wheels presentation, Hot Wheels collecting Matchbox, Majorette and many others. Today we are presenting 4 Hot Wheels from Hot Wheels Green Series. Do you collect Hot Wheels? Which Hot Wheels would you like to see next? Do you like to see this Hot Wheels races? Please make comments. Let's begin with first car. It's Hot Wheels Volvo XC40 Green Speed Series, blue color, silver rims. Do you have this car? Do you collect Hot Wheels? LPG Toys and Games channel, join us. Next car is Audi e-tron. White color. There is different versions of this car in 2023, in 2024 and 2022. One is blue, the another one, and this one is white. White color, white rims. Toys and Games channel, thousands and thousands Hot Wheels. Each day new events, new strips, new videos, join us. This is one DeLorean Hot Wheels Green Speed Series. Of course, we have this Ford F-150 Hot Wheels Green Speed Series. Big heart for all our members, friends and subscribers. LPG Toys and Games channel. As you can see, this Ford Raptor looks amazing. Metallic red color white rims, very nice details. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in next video. Bye.